In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tilt an image in Canva. If you're working on a poster, a collage, a presentation, or any design that needs a more dynamic look, tilting an image can make a huge difference. Instead of everything feeling stiff and perfectly straight, a slight angle can add movement and style. The good news is that Canva makes this very easy once you know where to look. To begin, open Canva and go to the project where you want to make the change. From your homepage, find the design you want to edit and open it so it appears in the main workspace. This could be a presentation slide, a social media post, or any other Canva design. Starting from the correct project helps you focus on the exact layout you want to adjust. Once your design is open, click on the image or graphic you want to tilt. When it's selected, you'll see the bounding box appear around it, along with the editing handles. This confirms that Canva is ready to let you modify that specific element. Make sure you've selected the image itself and not another layer nearby, especially if your design has text or overlapping elements. Now look just below the center of the selected image. You should see the rotation handle shown with a circular rotation style icon. Move your cursor over that handle until it changes, which tells you Canva is ready for the rotation action. This is the control you'll use to tilt the image smoothly. Click and hold that rotation handle, then drag your mouse in either direction to rotate the image. As you move, Canva will show you the angle in degrees in real time. That angle display is very helpful because it lets you be much more precise instead of just guessing. So if you want a subtle tilt, you might stop at something like 15 degrees, while a more dramatic layout might use a stronger angle. If you're having trouble landing on a clean angle, there's a simple shortcut that helps. While dragging the rotation handle, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This makes the image snap in set increments, which is especially useful when you want a neat, consistent tilt. It's a great tip for cleaner layouts and faster editing. When the image is tilted the way you want, take a moment to check the overall alignment. Move the element around your design if needed, and use Canva's guidelines to help position it neatly with the rest of your layout. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if you want a high-quality image export, and then click Download again to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and